Welcome to BBQ Today it's deep fried turkey day at the pit, and you got to check this out. Oh, yeah, and it's real easy to do. All right, we got a brine going here. We're doing this the day before we're going to deep fry the turkey. It adds flavor and moisture. If you want a brine recipe, head on over to our website. Or just go online and find a basic water, sugar, and salt brine. All right. Now, we've got a turkey fryer here. You've seen these before, right? It's dedicated to deep frying large batches of food, or such as a turkey. All right. Now, the next day, this has been brined in a refrigerator, kept chilled overnight. 24 hours is good. You can go 12. Again, we want the moisture and some of the flavoring. Now, we've dried off the turkey thoroughly. You've got to make sure it's dry before you put it in hot oil. I'm sure you've been online. You've seen a whole lot of video of people mishandling these turkeys. I mean, for God's sake, they're burning their houses down. All right, you want to avoid it. This is serious business. It's real hot. Somebody could get hurt. All right, we've got a cradle here. It's designed to put a bird such as this in the hot oil. Now, the important thing is you do not want to drop this right in. You will have an oil splatter fire out of control. You don't want to go there, right? So the trick is to very slowly drop it in oil. We've got about a temperature of the oil about 375 at first, and then we're dropping it in. It probably will drop to about 325 during the whole cook, right? Because this bird is lowering the temperature of the oil. The trick is to submerge it very slow. And we're going to show you the whole process. Very slow. Trying to keep the spatter down. The spatter comes flowing over the top, and I'm sure you've seen those videos, and you got yourself a fire. Oh, man. So again, slowly dropping it in the oil. Take your time. Now, frying a turkey, as you probably know, is maybe 3 times faster than mama cooking in her oven, right? It's done real quick. The reason a lot of people like their turkey fried is because some of the crispness of the turkey, right? And it's very moist on the inside. Simple. But you should know, you don't want to be doing a fried turkey if mama's got her holiday turkey in the oven, if you know what I mean. I mean, everybody's going to go for this deep fried turkey. And mama's not going to be happy. Maybe just tell her you love her, that you'll handle the turkey this year. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep your mama happy. Right? Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh. Again, real slow. Dropping it in. Perfect. Now, I told you I was going to show you the whole thing, right? You'll learn something. Now, get your thermometer back in that oil, and you want to monitor those temperatures. They could fluctuate. And in a miracle of time, this deep fried turkey is done. Good. Oh, man. Now, you turkey food cops are going to... Oh, it's burned. It's not burned. That's the rub on the outside. It is perfect. This is the way it should look. Oh, man. She just wants to pull away right there. You know you got yourself a nice turkey. It's going to be moist, tender. Oh, man. Look at that. Might just want to take that. Look at that breast meat coming off. Lord have mercy. I mean, that'll feed a couple people right there, right? You can see the moisture. See it? Just coming out. Oh, man. This is why you want to brine it. And of course, deep fried just makes it all special. Yeah, man. Look at that. Man. There's just no more words to say. Oh, man. Oh, thumbs up, man.
Nice.
The best.
That's good. That's delicious.
Now, this is the part, of course, where we're eating in front of you, and we're not going to apologize. It's our turkey fry. But go out, get yourself a turkey fryer.
It's a great seasoning.
Make a day special. Get together with your friends, family, whatever. Fry up a turkey. Cook up some sides. We got some fried beans there.
This ain't your mama's Thanksgiving dinner.
We got some French fries. Oh, yeah. French fries on Turkey Day, a must. So head on over to our website to get the recipe. And we got a ton of turkey recipes over there as well. Oh, man. Look at this. And while you're on our website, start a chapter. We have them in over 100 countries. We'd appreciate you joining. Oh, man. All right. This is Bobby Fane. And remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.